Hey guys, Fred Tech Up here, and this right here is the all-new Infinix Hot 30, and just like the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, this could arguably be one of the best mid-range smartphones that you can buy right now. At just 105,000 Naira or about $140, you're getting a device with 8GB of RAM that can also be expanded up to 16GB through memory fusion technology, 128GB or 256GB of storage, a Mediatek Helio G88 processor, and a whopping 5000 mAh battery. Impressive, right? Now, before you jump in a hurry to buy it, here is my review that will help you simplify your buying decision. As usual, let me show you what comes in the box of the Infinix Hot 30. When you open the box, the first thing you're going to see is a device wrapped in plastic that carries major highlights or key selling point of the device. Next is a plastic silicone case. This is always a plus because it will give your device that early protection before you can get yourself a good case. Moving on, we've got a 33-watt fast charger, which is another major reason why you should add this device to your shopping list. Then you get USB Type-C charging cable, the earpiece, SIM ejector tool, and that's pretty much it. When you take the wrap off the device, the Infinix Hot 30 gives you that initial impression that this is something special. It has a sleek and modern design with a slim profile and a durable polycarbonate frame. It comes in 3 unique colors, which are racing black, softened green, and sonic white. The softened green is what I have here, and it does have this reflection thing going on depending on how the light hits it. The back of the device is made from plastic but designed to look like glass. For a mid-range device, this alone gives it a premium feel. The whole device screams premium. Guys, just take a look at the design right here. It's amazing. I really love how beautiful the whole device looks, and I must say that I am impressed. One thing to keep in mind is that the boxy design might feel slightly uncomfortable to hold if you're someone with a small hand. I personally felt that discomfort holding it. Now, this is just me, but I guess it will be fine with most people. The overall build quality is solid. It feels well made and it doesn't feel or look cheap in any way. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. The power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner is fast and responsive all the time. There is absolutely no complaint here. To the left, we've got a SIM card tray that can take dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got a headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a speaker grill. Speaking of the speaker, the Infinix Hot 30 comes with a down-firing speaker. One at the earpiece on top here and the other at the bottom. This setup gives it a balanced sound, but unfortunately, it is not loud enough. At this price point, I can't really fault Infinix that much because what they've given us is already good. When you flip to the right side of the device, we have a 50 megapixels main camera compensated with an AI lens, mainly for low light detection. Then a flashlight and Infinix branding. Now, the display. The Hot 30 features a large 6.7 inches Full HD Plus punch hole style display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 and a pixel density of 396. It's an IPS LCD that supports 90Hz high refresh rate for smooth scrolling and navigating through the user interface. The punch hole display houses an 8 megapixel selfie camera. I really love how sharp and bright the display is, making it fun for watching YouTube videos and consuming media content. Sunlight readability could have used a little bit of improvement, but I guess we can't have it all, especially at this price point. But the overall display is great. On the performance aspects, as I said initially, the Infinix Hot 30 comes with 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and a Mediatek Helio G88 octa-core CPU. This is a mid-range gaming processor designed for mid-range smartphones. I ran some benchmarks and the result shows moderate numbers that are capable of handling most 3D games that load to medium graphic settings. As usual, I played Call of Duty Mobile and the gameplay was okay with some adjusted graphic settings. I also played Free Fire Edition, which is a game that is tailored for this device, and the gameplay was smooth. However, raw performance is slightly questionable. With 8GB of RAM that can also be expanded up to 16GB through memory fusion technology, this phone does not feel like a device with 8GB of RAM. In most cases, the device did not offer a smooth experience. Don't get me wrong, the device is fast, but definitely not what I was expecting. Multitasking and opening apps is fine, but scrolling does not feel naturally smooth to me. It doesn't feel like a device with a faster refresh rate. Navigating through the user interface is fine, but not smooth. I really wish Infinix can send a software update to fix this. The hardware is very capable, but the software is holding it back. Speaking of the software, this one here looks different. It has a new look, and that's because this is the Free Fire Gaming Edition. It brings that gaming theme to the whole user experience. I know that this could be a hit or miss for some people. If you're among those that don't appreciate the current look and feel, you can quickly change the theme under settings. Simply go to settings, then select personalization and select my theme, and then choose your desired theme and tap on apply. I also noticed that changing the theme to the basic one improved the performance a little bit. Just a little bit, not by much. Android 13 is what comes with the Hot 30, but with a new custom software which is XOS 12.6. It comes with some already familiar features and improved user experience. It is similar to what you're used to on most Infinix devices, but it introduces some new UI changes, as you can see here. Bluetooth is something that Infinix will not be doing away anytime soon, and I suggest you do a little bit of housekeeping by uninstalling some of the unwanted apps for a much better experience. Now let's move on to the camera. The 50 megapixels on the Hot 30 captures good daylight looking images with a satisfactory amount of details. The colors are punchy, decent dynamic range, and the exposure is accurate most of the time. There is a marginal improvement coming from its predecessor. However, I still believe there is room for improvement. Exposure is something they need to work on because it is not consistent. On the flip side, I really love how detailed and saturated most of the images appear, which is somewhat closer to real life. The 8 megapixel selfie camera takes good looking images, but it lacks details. Infinix really need to retire this sensor and switch to something better. The selfie camera is okay, but I'm not too impressed. Kindly go through it and tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. Hey guys, so this is the front facing camera of the Infinix Hot 30, currently shooting in 1080p 30 frames per second. What do you guys think about this? Let me know down in the comment section below, okay? For videos, you can shoot at 2K resolution, 30 frames per second with no HDR and no video stabilization. However, the footage looks great for a device in its price category. Hey guys, so this is a rare footage from the Infinix Hot 30, currently shooting in 2K 30 frames per second. When you're shooting in this mode, there's no video stabilization. Actually, this phone doesn't have any form of stabilization at all or whatsoever. But the footage looks great, looks okay. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. As for the battery, the Hot 30 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which I feel will be more than enough for an average user. For my usage and testing, it can comfortably last the entire day on a single charge. Then when it's time to juice it up again, the included 33-watt fast charger took only 1 hour and 25 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. I'm so impressed with the overall battery performance. It's amazing, and I'll say that if battery is one of the key components that you consider when choosing a smartphone, be rest assured that the Hot 30 will serve you well. In conclusion, the Infinix Hot 30 offers good value for money. It offers much better build quality with an excellent design, though Infinix needs to fix the software because I'm not too impressed with its performance. With up to 16GB of RAM and a whopping 256GB of storage and a decent processor, it has a lot of potential. Infinix really needs to fix this ASAP via a software update. So that is it guys, my review of the Infinix Hot 30. What do you guys think? Kindly share your thoughts to me in the comment section below. Let's discuss. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.